How to fix air calling speaker not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on hearing devices. Now here, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen and open control center, swipe down and you will see Bluetooth mode is turned on. So turn off Bluetooth mode. After turn off Bluetooth mode, you will check your air calling speaker is work properly. So if it not working, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here go back, click on accessibility, scroll down, click on touch. Now here scroll down, click on call auto loading. So make sure click on speaker. So after click on speaker, go back to home screen and clean refresh phone. You will check your call airing speaker is work properly. So if it's still not working, so click the power button and volume down button. Restart phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your air calling speaker is working properly. So that's how you can fix air calling speaker not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.